All right, y'all. Whew. We got something cool here today. This is, well, I'm pretty psyched about this. This is the new Arrma Limitless, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing, set the stage for, a build series to come up. I've never actually owned a on-road RC before, so I feel like this is gonna be awesome. And just check out the box art. Man. So here's the deal. This came available to me because my local hobby shop had it, and Horizon Hobby did this 15% off coupon deal on a few different cars as long as you bought them from from your local hobby shop. And in my case, I've got a really great one near me, RC Excitement, that carries a whole bunch of this stuff. And well, it was only for 2 days. The first day I held off, decided I didn't need anything. And then the second day, well, you know what happened. So let's go ahead, pull this guy out, see what we have inside. So I'm guessing I'm missing a little bit of packaging because I think this one had come out of the box once before. But let's just say, well, first, let's do the small things. So here, yeah, we've got some body mounts, instruction manual, all that good stuff. And then on the inside, we've got our car. All right, so there's gonna be a few different things to cut here. So those are cut. And then now we've got the Limitless. This thing, I'll tell you what, this is incredible. So we'll pop it out, take off the top. I'm curious what it all looks like underneath here. But what I'm curious also for is to hear from you guys how you think I should build this. So I don't actually have parts yet. This wasn't super high on my list expecting to get this built or to get one of these. So it's kind of out of the blue. But let's take a look. I'm gonna put you handheld and let's check some stuff out here. So I've got this top off, and let's take a look on the inside. So the only other roller kit I've done from Arrma has been their Creighton EXB. And in fact, if we take a look at this, what we're seeing is basically a roller, and by that, all it has is all of the components needed except for the electronics. So you'll see, of course, no motor in here, no batteries, not that that would normally come with it. We've got this nice looking little receiver box, a spot for an ESC. I'll have to take a look and see what I might put in there. And I love the red anodizing, aluminum Ackerman bar. This is pretty well set up. I gotta say, I'm pretty pumped with this. So adjustable coilovers. It's interesting that it's a plastic cap, aluminum body, but plastic cap. Of course, you've got the D-Boots Hoons tires, which these, they feel harder than I was expecting, but then again, I guess, I don't know why I was expecting that. I've never had a on-road car like this before, but yeah, I mean, look at that, no step. This thing is so cool looking. And that diffuser, whew, look at that, the little rain light. I hope somebody sells a light that could go in there, because that is really cool how that looks. But look at the body and that big old wing with presumably all the brands that you'd be using. Now the body itself, if we take a look at that, you can see body looks pretty nice. Don't just bash, blast. Of course, that's one of the taglines of Arrma. And the blue on the body is pretty gorgeous. Check that out. I like how it's almost fake riveting for the windows. But go ahead and slide that on. Kind of slides right onto the back there. It's gonna then clip down up top. And whew, look at that. That is such a great looking RC. Whew. Wheels, of course, held on by 17mm hexes. And man, I'll tell you what, I'm surprised with how much ground clearance. So my whole hand can pretty much slide underneath there, which is pretty impressive. You can see the exit holes for the air to come out. That diffuser system is just absolutely epic. Well, before we finish up the unboxing, let's take a look at what comes inside. So we've got quite a few different body clips are coming with this, body mounts, I should say. Looks like some shims for the diff. I'm sure, like my EXB, that's going to be an important thing to do. You've got your tools. Probably none of these will get used, but it's nice to have spares. Of course, your sticker card. And then that's pretty neat. So this has a gearing chart for pinion and spur, battery dimensions, and the size of motor that you should be choosing for it, which is pretty neat. And it looks like it's coming with this high-speed gearing. So what size is this? I think this is supposed to be a 27 tooth. Not sure of that, but I believe that's the case. So it does come with a pinion gear, and then I assume, I didn't look, but the spur gear is installed. Well, anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed a quick unboxing of this car. This thing is just absolutely epic. Oh man, I can't wait to use it. It looks so cool. Could you do me a favor? Let me know down in the comments below. What do you think about this car? But more importantly, what electronics should I be putting in this car to get the most out of it? You know, I really think this is probably going to be a really cool car to get together. Well, anyways, thanks again. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button. That like button is so crucial. I really appreciate it. While you're at it, be sure you're subscribed. That way you can see the build of this vehicle, get it all together. And of course, we'll do some speed runs and find out just how fast this thing is. Well, thanks again. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video.